CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. We are pleased to show you the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.